Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another Zombicide Green Horde mini. This time it is Sigrun, who is based off Valeria from Conan the Barbarian. So it's essentially just another barbarian woman. She's been primed in German Panzer Grey, and I'm starting off with Elf Skin Tone by Vallejo for all of her exposed skin and for her hair. Up next is Vallejo's Leather Brown for the bulk of her clothing. I do make a slight mistake and paint a good chunk of her arm, but once it's dry I just go back over with the Elf Skin Tone and patch that up. Next is the Cold Grey for the extra parts of fabric around her waist. I then used Charred Brown to do her boots and some of the straps on her just to add that bit of variety. With the clothing all finished, I used Elven Flesh by Army Painter to add some highlights to the skin tone. Next, I used Demonic Yellow to do her hair. With yellow being so transparent, the original Elven Flesh comes through, toning that yellow down and giving it that more natural blonde type of look. I now moved on to the metallics with Greedy Gold for her belt buckle and sword hilt. Next metallic is gunmetal for her sword blade. I then started with the tattoos, doing dark flesh tone, just not following the concept art perfectly, just a rough area of where they should be and where it would look fitting for the sculpt. Next, I used Brain Matter Beige for her eyes. The last colour before the washes is Matte Black for her pupils and further base. Now onto the washi, starting with Flesh Wash for all of her skin. The final wash is strong tone for everything else apart from the sword. And that will be it for Sigrun, another barbarian woman ready to slay the horde. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and as always, don't forget to be kind to each other.